Quite a mess, Ava.
Worse than I thought, Gus. The top is unstable.
Good thing we have the original plans.
We'll need every detail to bring it back.
This is terrible. Can it be saved?
We'll rebuild it, Mayor. Better than before.
The structural integrity needs reinforcement here.
Whatever it takes, Ava. This landmark is vital.
All right, Ava. Time to get to work.
Let's make this tower shine again.
Safety first, Tina. We need this area clear.
Got it, Mike. Every piece counts.
Phase 1 complete. Time for the heavy lifting.
Careful demolition. Every brick matters.
Roger that. Let's get these loose parts down safely.
That upper section needs to come down next. Crane, we're ready for the lift.
These older bricks are still good. Perfect! We'll sort them for reuse. Demolition complete. Now for the rebuild.
Perfect. Clean slate, just like we planned. First batch of foundation bricks, ready to go.
Double checked. Let's build a strong base. Teamwork makes the tower work.
You got that right, Tina.
Perfect timing. Our new windows have arrived. Left a little. Steady!
Perfect. Almost there. Almost there. It's taking shape beautifully.
Steady progress, just how we like it.
Our clock face components are here. Time to make it tick. Heavy but perfect. Ready for its new home.
This is the heart of the tower.
Slow and steady, we've got it.
Almost there, team.
Looks good as new, Ava.
Almost, Gus. Still need the top.
Wow, these are really gonna shine. This is it! The crown jewel!
Almost there. Keep it steady.
Looking good, team.
She's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Cleanup is just as satisfying. Almost ready for the big reveal. Clear the way. Time for Lego City to see its masterpiece.
Today, Lego City celebrates. Thanks to our amazing team, our old clock tower stands tall once more. A beacon of hope for all of Lego City. Built to last another 100 years.